Hello, friends. Today we will discuss an economics topic peak load pricing. Peak load pricing is a strategy where prices for a product or service are set higher during the periods of high demand, that is known as peak times, and lower during the periods of low demand, that is off peak times. The goal is to manage demand, encourage efficient resource use, and cover the higher costs of providing services during peak periods. Key features: demand based pricing. Prices reflect the level of demand during peak times when resources are stretched. For example, electricity during hot summer afternoons. Prices increase to discourage overuse. Resource allocation. It helps balance the load on infrastructure like power grids or public transport by incentivizing users to shift consumption to off-peak times. Cost recovery. Higher prices during peak periods help recover the cost of maintaining capacity to meet maximum demand, which often requires expensive infrastructure investments. For example, electricity utilities charge higher rates during daytime hours when demand is high and lower rates at night. Airlines flight tickets are costly during holidays or peak travel seasons. Ride sharing surge pricing during rush hours or events. Tolls higher tolls on roads or bridges during peak commuting hours. How it works? Peak periods identified based on historical data or predictable patterns. For example, summer for electricity, rush hours for transport. Pricing mechanism. Higher rates are applied during these periods, often tiered based on demand intensity. Consumer behavior. Higher prices encourage users to shift usage to off-peak times, reducing strain on system. Technology, smart meters or dynamic pricing system enable real-time adjustment. For example, in electricity or ride-sharing apps. Benefits: it reduces congestion, discourages overuse during peak hours, preventing system overloads, encourages efficiency, promotes consumption during off-peak periods, optimizing resource use. Revenue optimization. It helps to businesses to recover costs for maintaining peak capacity. Environmental impact. In utilities, it can reduce reliance on fossil fuel based peaker plants, lowering emissions. Challenges: it has to face consumer resistance. Higher prices during peak times can frustrate customers.